this video, we will show you how to implement autocomplete search result in text box on visualbasic.net. In here, we already have a database, and then we have one table called TB test. The database name is test, and we have this several data in the field name and age. We need to try to make autocomplete for search result to this field. And in here, we already have a connection. You can copy this, we put into the description for the link. Then we need to open our Visual Studio and create new project, and we can click next after choosing Visual Basic. For project name, you can fill with you want, and we in here make autocomplete for search result. And we want put into desktop and then click create. In here, we just only need to add textbook. Let's try to make this font bigger. For example, 36 in here. And we need to add just module called DT connection. We can click add, and this is for connection. We can just copy paste for saving times in here. This is for server localhost, and this is for user root. Password is empty because we're using localhost, and for database is test. And you need to right click on your project and choose add reference. Please type in mysql.data. If nothing, you can try to in the component. If still not found, you can find to assembly. This is for mysql.data, and then we can click OK. Now we need to go in our form. After you double click in your form, you can just make this declaration. This is for connection to database for saving time in here. This is, you can import MySQL like this. Then in the form load, we can just make auto-complete like this. Then we can just create sub autocomplete. Voila. No, this is no mode, but just autocomplete. In here, we need just using my cmd dot connection equal to my connection dot open. Then my cmd dot comment text equal to select all or select star. This is from, you can find your table in here for table test or TB test. From TB test, order by name ascending. You can also just select all from GBDesk without order by name also. Then we need to declare dim gs as new dataset. Okay, dataset I mean. And then the adapter, this is for the adapter, okay, equal to new MySQL data adapter. This is for my command. Then the adapter dot field is equal to dataset, and for field name here, and then dim column or col as new auto complete string collection in here, dim I as integer, for I equal to 0 to ds dot tables dot row counts. This is will reading all record in the fields or in the table. Column dot add ds dot tables 0 like this, dot rows for I here. This is for name. This is for reading name in the field dot to string. And we can try to running our project, but this is not the end, guys. For example, Joe Biden. I'm sorry, this is something mistake. Okay, we need to just close the connection, my connection dot close in here, and then just revert to text box 1. This is something that we're not doing. This is for text box 1 dot autocomplete source in here equal to autocomplete source dot custom source. Okay, and then text box 1 dot autocomplete custom source equal to column, then text box 1 dot text I mean not dot text in here, just autocomplete mode. Okay, autocomplete mode is equal to autocomplete mode dot suggest. We try to running this. You can see when I type Joe Biden or Obama or anything in this record. For example, let's type which H character. Hillary appear in here. You can also call the H field in here. Yes, you can copy paste for this. Okay, you can add n in here, for example, space, like this, and then this is reference on your H in your field database. Joe Biden, the age is 75, or you can just using separator, age is like this. Joe Biden, okay, or Hillary, like this. Obama, okay. That's all. Tutorial how to make autocomplete search results using text box on visualbasic.net. Hope this video helpful. You can download the project and source code. We put link into description. You can just click that link. Thanks for watching.